Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO at WorkMovr. I'd like to talk about cost accounting overview, which is a new feature in WorkMovr 4. The first question is, why are we doing this? Okay. Well, if you look at manufacturing companies, they track labor costs for every job. For instance, one of our clients makes custom body work for landscapers, carpenters, plumbers, and those sorts of people to put on the back of pickup trucks. And every sheet metal task there is tracked against the truck. So by the time we finish with the truck, we know how much labor and materials went into it. Administrative organizations generally have little idea of the share of their labor hours that go to either individual customers, to departments, or processes. I'll give you an example. When I worked on Wall Street, the commodities trading department was doing great. But actually, if you really look carefully, they were taking up at least 40% of the legal department. And so, even though they were doing great in revenue, on the administrative side, they were also racking up a lot of costs which were not being tracked. Now, we don't intend in WorkMovr 4 to solve the whole problem, but what we are doing, we're taking a first step in tracking administrative labor costs by cost center. And we do that for both tasks that are sent through our workflow subsystem and also data page tasks. So it's going to be a little bit arbitrary and capricious to start off with, but as you refine the costs, I think you can start to get a bit of a better idea of the profitability of different processes, different customers, or whatever. So again, just a first step here on WorkMovr 4, but we think it's an important first step, and I have some more videos to explain the details. Thank you.